Right, we're going to do the alley cat, and it starts off with the right foot. We're going to touch out and in and out and in, and the same with the left, out and in and out and in. Right, everybody do it with me. Out, in, out. Now the left, out, in, out. Together. Great. Now we're going to use the right foot again, but this time we're going to touch it back twice. So, back, together, and the same with the left. Back, together, and back, together. So do that bit with me. We go back, together, and back, together. Halfway. Okay, let's do it from the beginning. Go. 2 to the right, and 2 to the left, and back, together, and back, together. Good, that's halfway through. Now we're going to do the third bit. We're going to use the right knee slightly on the angle. We're going to raise it up and tap it with the left hand and put it down. Do it again. Up and down. Same with the left. Up and down, up and down. Do that with me. Right foot goes up and down, left, up and down, up and down. Now we'll do it from the beginning. Here we go. Ready? And 2 to the right, and 2 to the left, to the back, 2 to the back, now the left, 2, 2. Now the right knee twice, right knee, left knee, left knee. Right, this is the last section, kids. You're going to kick the right, then you're going to kick the left, then you're going to clap your hands, then you're going to jump a quarter turn to the right. So do that with me. You go kick and clap, quarter turn. And to make it a bit more fun, we can go woo when we do a little turn, okay? Yes. Okay, all the way from the beginning then, it goes 2 to the right, and 2 to the left, and 2 to the back, and 2 to the back. And the right knee, left knee, kick, clap, and turn. That's brilliant. Have you got the hang of it? Yeah! Okay, let's put the music on.